Hello everyone, I am Deborah and welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen for another ketogenic recipe. So glad that you guys are joining me today and I hope that everyone is doing well. So before I get into the reason why we are meeting here today and show you the end product, let me just tell you the reason why I really wanted to find this particular recipe. So you guys, as you already know, I am keto and my husband is not. But recently he has been making carrot cakes that, you guys, have been filling this home with that delicious aroma. So he has his and I was determined to have mine. And I found a recipe on Pinterest and I made it today and this is the end result. This is a carrot cake cupcake with cream cheese frosting, you guys. And if you can smell this thing, oh my goodness. So before I actually roll the footage to let you all see exactly how I made this recipe, and of course I will also leave in the description below everything that you need to make yours as well. You guys, oh, I am not kidding you. This smells amazing. Let's see if I can just show you the inside before I stuff this in my mouth. See that? Wow, here we go. Guys. That is absolutely delicious. You know, that is the thing about being keto, is finding healthy ketogenic alternatives to keep you on track and then still keep you satisfied. And when I say that this will do it, I am not kidding you. This thing is phenomenal. Wow. Absolutely delicious. And another thing, this called for ginger. Now, I'm assuming it was ground ginger. I didn't have any ground ginger. I had some fresh ginger. And I think that made a huge difference in this recipe because that flavor is just popping through all over this carrot cake cupcake. You guys, okay, I'm gonna let you guys go so you can get into the rest of this footage and learn how to make your own carrot cake ketogenic friendly cupcake as well with cream cheese frosting. Please do give this video a thumbs up. Please do share, leave your comments and let me know how you like this as well. And if you're not yet a part of my YouTube family, would love to have you along for this journey. Press that subscribe button below, and guys, I will see you real soon. Happy baking and enjoy. Hello everyone, I'm Deborah and I am back a lot sooner than I anticipated. But after I did the filming yesterday, I realized that this keto carrot cake cupcake is more than just a cupcake. And of course, when I find something good, you guys, I have just got to share. And that being, I realized that we can actually use this as a breakfast muffin or a snack. So after I finished my filming yesterday, I actually had enough batter for 2 more of these and I popped them in the oven, and you guys, this is what I have. Doesn't that look delicious? And obviously the only difference between the cupcake and this muffin is that there is no frosting. And let me give you guys a sneak peek at the inside. Oh, wow, look at that. Does that not look delicious? So again, when I find something good, I just have to share, and I need to share this with you guys because I am definitely going to make another full batch of these, and I am going to refrigerate them, and these will be my weekly breakfast along with my coffee, or again, you know, if I feel like I need something a little extra, this will become my snack. All right, you guys, without further ado, the footage on how to make these delicious keto carrot cake cupcakes and muffins coming right up. Okay, everything that you will need to make these delicious carrot cake cupcakes. Now what I like to do is to go ahead and pre-measure everything and then just put everything together, starting with the 2 cups of almond flour, 6 tablespoons of coconut flour, 3/4 cup sweetener, and I used erythritol, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/8 teaspoon of ginger. And you guys, I have fresh ginger and I use fresh nutmeg. And they smell wonderful. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now you mix the dry ingredients until well combined. Now it's time to combine the wet ingredients. Okay, those 2 room temperature eggs. Go ahead and whisk them until they're nice and fluffy. A 1/2 cup of butter, and as you can see, this is melted. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And combine those ingredients well. Okay, now it's time to combine the dry ingredients with the wet. And you're going to continue to mix until everything is well incorporated. And this is going to form a dough. Next, we are going to add our shredded carrots, 1½ cups. And 1/4 cup unsweetened shredded coconut. And you're also going to mix these until well incorporated. And guys, look at that color. And again, with those spices, the ginger and the nutmeg, smells incredible. And now it's ready to go into the muffin tins. Since I did not have any cupcake tins, what I did is I just used the spray to spray each one of the muffin tins. And then I put the batter, about half full, 3/4 of the way full, into each one of the cups. And now it's ready for the oven, which was preheated at 350 degrees. And these need to bake for 30 to 35 minutes. And while it's doing that, we can go ahead and make our frosting. And for the frosting, we need 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese and a half cup of room temperature butter. Mix those until well combined and soften. Then we add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Combine that as well. And then we are going to add the 1 cup of sweetener, and I use stevia. And you're going to blend that into smooth and creamy. And this is coming together well. You guys, I love a cream cheese frosting. And when I tell you this stuff was delicious, it was absolutely delicious. Now, either you put it into a piping bag or this Ziploc bag that is going to be used as a piping bag, or you can just frost it with a knife. So today I am going to try my hand at using a Ziploc as a piping bag. Cut the opening at an angle and squeeze it to the opening, and now you have a piping bag. All right, these muffins are fresh out of the oven and they look amazing. So let them cool for about a half hour. Guys, look at those muffins. And again, the aroma from them is amazing. And I have to tell you, as I went along with these, I got better at the piping. But nonetheless, none of this was going to go to waste. And there you have it, a ketogenic carrot cake cupcake with cream cheese frosting. Absolutely delicious. Bon appetit.